Are you sending offer messages to your customers one by one? Then let me show you how you can automate this entire process by just using one and only automation tool called as Pabbly Chatflow. So here you can see that this is the offer message which I'm sending to my hundred or thousands of customers at a time without manually sending them again and again one by one. And I have done it by creating a WhatsApp broadcast by using Pabbly Chatflow. And here you can see that I'm sending this image with this message to my customers. So now you can also do this by using one and only automation tool called as Pabbly Chatflow. So for that, you have to open your browser and type the URL of Pabbly Chatflow, that is pabbly.com/chatflow, and you will land to the official website of Pabbly Chatflow, where we are getting two options, that is for the sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging account over the Pabbly Chatflow first time, then you have to sign up for free. And Pabbly Chatflow is currently offering you a free trial, means you can create and try this automation or this WhatsApp broadcast for freely inside Pabbly Chatflow. And if you are an existing user, then you have to sign in. And if you like this automation and want to buy any of our Pabbly product, then I'm going to provide you an amazing discount coupon code, that is STUYT, providing you heavy and exclusive discount on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now, once you sign up your account, you will be landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Chatflow, where I have already added my WhatsApp number. So make sure to firstly do it. And if you want to learn this process, then you can check the video given on the description, or either you can check the video given on the dashboard page of Pabbly Chatflow. And now let's move on towards the main part of this video, that is creating a WhatsApp broadcast, so that as a business owner, I don't have to reach out my customers one by one for sending offer or promotional messages. So for that, you just have to select the broadcast given over the left hand menu, and right here we are on this broadcast page, where you just have to click over this add broadcast. And now here we are on this page, where the first thing we have to do is to select the broadcast type, which is already selected as broadcast campaign. And now the next thing we have to do is to provide the broadcast name. So here I'm going to provide the broadcast name as promotional broadcast. And now we have to select our audience to whom we want to send this broadcast message. So you can either upload a CSV file which you have created for your customers, and you can just directly upload it over here, and you can send broadcast messages to all your customers added in your CSV file in one go. Or either you can choose an existing contact list you have created in Pabbly Chatflow. And if you don't have any contact list yet, then you just have to select this contacts from the left hand menu, and you will be landed to this contacts page, where for creating your new contact list, you simply have to click over this add new contact list button, and from here you can create a contact list of your own, of your customers to whom you want to send promotional or your offer messages. And after creating your own contact custom field, you just have to select the contact list from this field. Now let's say I'm going to select this contact list, that is lead list, having only one contact, that is my contact. And you can even select multiple contact lists too, but I'm going to keep only one contact list, that is this. And now we are getting this another amazing feature of WhatsApp broadcast, that is refine audience. Means excluding the contacts you don't want to receive this broadcast. So for excluding the contacts, you can just select the contact list. Now let's say I'm going to select this contact list having 50 contacts. And now as I'm excluding this contact list, the contacts in this contact list will not receive this broadcast WhatsApp message. And you can either exclude a specific contact or any individual contact to whom you don't want to send this WhatsApp broadcast. And now we are getting this another amazing feature, that is exclude contact in an active 24-hour conversation window. So by enabling this amazing feature, you can skip the contact with whom you are on an active 24-hour conversations, so that they don't receive a redundant broadcast on top of an active conversation. So you can enable this for excluding the contact with whom you are contacting within 24 hours. And now we are on this main section of this broadcast, that is selecting message type. So from here you can either select the regular message as your type. And now let's say I'm going to enter this regular message, and here you can see the preview of the regular message which I'm going to broadcast to my all customers, or either you can select the pre-approved template message which you have created over your Pabbly Chatflow account. And if you haven't created a template message yet, then you just have to select this template list and you will be landed to this template page where you just have to click over this add template and you can create your own template. And once that template is approved by Meta, you can send that template message to your customers. And now let me show you the template message which I'm going to send to my users. So right here you can see that this is the template message which I'm going to send to my users or the customers. So now let me select this pre-approved template message. So here I'm going to select it. Now we have to provide an image to this particular template. So here I'm going to upload the media from my library. So here I'm going to select this image to be inserted with this template message. And right here you can see that my template message is ready, which I'm going to send to my customers or the user. Now we just have to click over this button and here the template message is ready. And now if you want to test how this WhatsApp broadcast will be sent to your customers and how it looks like, then you can send a test message and check that broadcast. So now here I'm going to enter the contact's name or my name, and afterwards I'm going to provide my contact or my mobile number. And now I'm going to send a test message to my number to check whether I'm sending the correct template message or not. And as I have clicked over this send test message, a WhatsApp message will be sent to my contact number. So here you can see that I'm just receiving this template message, and this is the same template message which I have just selected over my Pabbly Chatflow. So this shows that I'm sending correct template message. So here you can see that we are successfully receiving this test broadcast. Now let's move on towards the Pabbly Chatflow, where we are on this main section of this video, that is scheduling broadcast. So if you want to send your broadcast immediately at that time, then you can select no send instantly. But if you want to schedule your broadcast for a specific date or the timing, then you can select this button of yes, schedule for later. And right here we are going to select the date and timing when I want to schedule my broadcast. So here I'm going to select the date as 26th of August 2026 and the timing will be 4 p.m. So here I have selected this date and the timing on which I want to schedule my broadcast. And now my broadcast will be sent in this particular date and time. And afterwards we are getting this option for automatic retry of failed contact. So by enabling this amazing feature, your broadcast will be automatically sent for the failed contact. Let's say you are sending your broadcast message to hundreds of your customers, and on that 100 of customer, only 90 customers has received the broadcast and it is failed for the remaining 10 contacts. Then you can just enable this button, that is automatically retry failed contacts, and that broadcast message will be automatically sent to your another remaining failed contacts after this wait time. So you can enable this, and this is going to let your broadcast send to failed contacts automatically. So now you don't have to manually check for the failed broadcast of any contact, because this automation will automatically retry to send broadcast for the failed contacts. And afterwards we just have to simply select this add broadcast, and our broadcast will be scheduled for that particular date and time. And here you can see that my broadcast has been scheduled successfully. And once your broadcast is live and you want to check the status of your broadcast, then you just have to click over this view stats button, and from here you can get your broadcast report. Means from here you can check the broadcast report, that is the total broadcast you have created, the sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored and failed broadcast which you have created. So now I have shown you how you can create a WhatsApp broadcast by using which you don't have to send WhatsApp messages to your leads one by one, because by using the WhatsApp broadcast from Pabbly Chatflow, you can send your offer messages or promotional messages to all your customers in one go. And you have seen how easy this is to promote your messages by using Pabbly Chatflow. So now what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now, and don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video. And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.